Welcome to the Knowledge Gauntlet. Think you can survive all 20 questions? Let's find out. In 1789, how much was George Washington's salary as president? Answer: C. $25,000 a year, which would amount to $913.252.84 today. Question 2. According to the Guinness Book of World Records, where can you find the world's smallest street? Answer: Scotland. Measuring 6 feet 9 inches, Ebenezer Place in Wick, Caithness, Scotland, is the world's smallest street. Question 3. What year did Osborne Company make the first portable computer? Classified as a luggable, the Osborne One was the first commercially successful portable computer released on April 3, 1981. Number 4. In what country is it illegal to own just one guinea pig? If you said Switzerland, you're right. Guinea pigs are social animals, so according to Swiss law, it is animal cruelty to keep a guinea pig by itself. The world would be a better place if more countries protected animals this way. Question 5. What is a female peacock called? Peahen is the correct answer. A baby peacock is called a peachick, and collectively, they are referred to as peafowl. Number 6. What is the official name of the hashtag symbol? Octothorpe. According to Wiktionary, the name was coined by Bell Labs engineers in the late 1960s or early 1970s, likely to refer to the 8 points of the symbol. Next question. Which canyon is the deepest in North America? If you said Hell's Canyon, good for you. You got it right. At approximately 7,993 feet, Hell's Canyon is nearly 2,000 feet deeper than the Grand Canyon. Question 8. What is the singular word for spaghetti? The singular word for spaghetti is spaghetto. Question 9. NASA is an acronym for what? National Aeronautics and Space Administration.
Last question. Which ocean did the Titanic sink? Atlantic Ocean.